Hey everyone, welcome back, your one-stop destination for the latest in tech, smartphones, and gadgets. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into the newly launched Realme 14T 5G, a device that's making waves in the budget 5G smartphone segment in India. With a massive 6,000 mAh battery, super bright AMOLED display, and fast charging, this phone promises a lot at a very attractive price point. Realme officially launched the 14T 5G in India on Friday, and it's already getting attention for its impressive specs. The phone comes with a sleek design, available in lightning purple, obsidian black, and surf green color options. With a thickness of just 7.97 millimeters and a weight of 196 grams, it strikes a great balance between size and battery capacity. Let's talk about the display, and this one's a showstopper. The Realme 14T 5G features a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate and an incredible 2100 nits of peak brightness. That makes it the brightest display in its segment, ideal for outdoor visibility and media consumption. It also supports a 180Hz touch sampling rate, 92.7% screen-to-body ratio, and DCI-P3 wide color gamut for rich, vibrant colors. Plus, the display is tough Rhineland certified to reduce eye strain during nighttime use. Under the hood, the phone is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6306 nanometer octa-core processor, paired with 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM and up to 256 GB of internal storage. It runs on Realme UI 6 based on Android 15, delivering a smooth and clean user experience with plenty of optimization for daily multitasking, gaming, and app usage. When it comes to photography, the Realme 14T 5G doesn't disappoint. It houses a 50MP primary camera with f1.8 aperture, along with a 2MP depth sensor. On the front, you get a 16-megapixel selfie camera with f2.4 aperture. The phone supports AI-enhanced imaging tools, including live photo mode, and delivers decent performance for both casual photography and social media-ready selfies. Powering the device is a huge 6,000 mAh battery, which is a major highlight. It supports 45-watt Super VUC fast charging, so you spend less time plugged in and more time on the go. Whether you're a heavy gamer or a binge watcher, this battery will easily last through a full day, and then some. The Realme 14T 5G also comes with IP66, IP68, and IP69 ratings, offering robust protection against dust and water, something that's rare in this price range. Plus, it features an in-display fingerprint sensor for fast and secure unlocking. Connectivity options include 5G, 4G, Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, and a USB Type-C port. Everything you need for a smooth and reliable experience is here. And now for the part everyone's waiting for, the price. The Realme 14T 5G is priced at 17,999 rupees for the 8 GB plus 128 GB variant, 19,999 rupees for the 8 GB plus 256 GB variant. What do you think? Is this the best budget 5G smartphone right now? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you stay updated with all the latest tech launches and reviews.